Are you tired of your 9-to-5 job and looking for a way to make money online while living your best life? Well, this video is not going to help you with that, but it'll definitely make you feel motivated and maybe even inspire you to try some creative ways to make money online. From opening your own store on Etsy to becoming a social media influencer, just kidding, that's not easy. We've got some hilarious and slightly ridiculous ideas for making money online. So grab your popcorn, sit back, and let's watch together at the absurdity of making money online. Who knows, you might even stumble upon a $1 million idea. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more hilarious and helpful videos on making money online. Play and test pre-release video games. Video game firms employ testers to play pre-release games to detect faults before releasing them to the general public. It's a terrific way to earn pay to play video games if you love them. Video game testers operate as independent contractors for third-party companies, such as Nintendo, who engage them to offer feedback. Global beta testing is the biggest of these companies, with 20,000 separate contracts all around the globe. On a lesser scale, Android applications like Misplay enable you to earn points by playing existing and pre-release games. Afterward, you can redeem your points for gift cards. You'll make less money with Misplay than working directly for a firm like Global Beta Testing. Still, the good news is that you can start immediately. Create an online course. When you first hear online course, you might think you have nothing to offer others. But before you ignore this possibility, consider Teresa Greenway's success story. Greenway, a single mother who stayed home to care for her autistic kid, relied on food stamps. She established an online course on making sourdough bread, one of her interests. It may seem like a bread course would earn little money, but her course earned $86,000 in the first 2 years. Sites like Udemy and Skillshare make it simpler than ever to share your knowledge online. So study the current offerings and see if you can find inspiration to develop your own class. Thinkific, an online course platform for creators, provides an amazing 10-step course launch instruction. Design graphics. Skilled freelance graphic designers are important to organizations and may frequently charge a high fee. Graphic design is a creative pastime that may be profitable. It might be one of the highest paying side hustle ideas, whether done as a part-time job or as an online business. Businesses always need graphics, which might range from brochures to infographics to logos. And although obtaining full-time work as a graphic designer often necessitates a design degree, freelancing as a graphic designer depends on your portfolio, which depends on including non-client examples you developed to demonstrate your abilities. Start an Etsy store. An Etsy business may earn over 6 figures, but most owners only make a few $100s monthly. The possibilities on Etsy extend well beyond selling crafts. Though selling crafts may be profitable, the site might be a terrific place to start as an online company owner if you have any creative talent. You can create a store, create product listings, select pricing, and begin selling. Etsy is a good option since you can do it on your own time or convert it into a full-time online business once you succeed. It's uncommon for individuals to earn substantial money on Etsy, but make sure you set your rates to a level where you can still buy supplies while making a profit. Start a Metaverse business. The phrase Metaverse refers to a virtual world that resembles reality but is fully online. While it may seem futuristic, the growth rate, as well as the quantity of money spent in these virtual worlds, are key factors. A block of land in the virtual world, known as Decentraland, solely sold for $900,000. The key to grasp about metaverses is that they are whole economies in their own right. They need designers, real estate agents, and construction contractors. These are all legitimate methods for individuals to make money in various metaverses. Licensed business ideas. Stephen Key, inventor and best-selling book One Simple Idea. Turn your dreams into a licensing goldmine while others work. Licensing is defined as renting your ideas to manufacturers. Licensing is a valid, if difficult, technique to generate passive revenue. The procedure entails creating a product, presenting it to a manufacturer, and then agreeing to a royalty with the company. What's fascinating is that ideas don't have to be revolutionary or costly to prototype. Work as a field agent. Field Agent is a popular iOS and Android app enabling users to earn money by conducting random research at local retail outlets. An example duty would be to visit a shop and photograph a certain product on display. It's an excellent app to open while doing errands to check if a business has any tasks, since it enables you to search for jobs by place. You may also see how much the job pays and how long it will take, making it easy to decide whether or not a task is worthwhile. This doesn't make you rich, but it may be a fun and fast way to earn extra cash, particularly if you perform the research chores while out and about. You won't make a fortune from this, but it may be a fun and fast way to earn a little extra cash, particularly if you undertake the research chores while you're out and about. Retail arbitrage. Finding a niche takes time and effort, but it can be a terrific source of extra cash. Retail arbitrage, often known as money flipping or reselling, is a developing money-making possibility. What you're doing here is purchasing a thing in one location and reselling it for a profit in another. You may earn money reselling stuff you find at garage sales, flea markets, Goodwill shops, or the rear of discount stores like Marshall's and TJ Maxx. Resellers had success with a variety of business structures, including shop at garage sales and sell online. Many resellers purchase things at garage sales or other comparable venues, such as flea markets, and afterwards sell them online on sites like eBay or Amazon, or their online shop. Thanks for watching. Now go make some money online and live your best life, or at least have some fun trying. And if all else fails, there's always the good old-fashioned way of working for a living. See you in the next video.